We have here exercise about how we can compare between the energy of the photon in the both of the photon of the red light and the photon of the violet light. We know that the red light has lowest radiation and lowest frequency. So the frequency is the lowest in the red and highest in the violet. So we have the energy. The energy is more than in the violet than the red. So the violet has more the frequency, so it has more energy. Okay, light behaviors through different media. Light transmit through different media with variable degrees. So we have the light pass through the glass, air, and pure water. Give reason. Although the water is transparent medium, we can't see fish at the bottom. Why? Because the thickness of the water. يبقى due to the thickness of the water, the bottom of the water, we can't see the fish inside it. So we have three kinds of media can be classified according to the ability of the or the allowed of the light to pass through. So we have the transparent and the semi-transparent and the opaque. Okay, the transparent media, it's a medium which permit most light to pass through, like the clear glass or the air or the pure water. So the clear glass, air, and the pure water is examples for the transparent media. Why the air is transparent media? Because it's media which permit most of the light to pass through. Number two, we have the semi-transparent media. It is a medium which permit only a part of the light to pass through and absorb the remaining parts. Okay, the object can be seen through semi-transparent media less clearly than the transparent one, like the tissue paper. Last, we have the opaque medium. The opaque medium, it's kind of medium which doesn't permit light to pass through, like the books, wood, and metals, and carton, and milk, and the black honey. So, why the black honey is opaque medium? Because it doesn't permit light to pass through.